Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates, First Team Real Estate. We're here today actually on Lido Island in Newport Beach. This house is actually for lease. It's 213 Via Dijon. It's on lease for $8,900 a month. Cool little quiet spot here, obviously on the island. Today is they're doing the inaugural opening up again of the yacht club, so that's going to be kind of fun. But this is actually a property that's being leased out by Gerard Properties, and you'll see it's actually an extra wide lot on this property. Kind of a cool, different, unique design. It was built in the 80s, and so kind of has that 80s vibe to it. But like I said, it's being leased out for $8,900 a month. We've got 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs, kind of dual master suites upstairs. You got 2-car garages, as you could see earlier. There's a washer dryer set up in there. There's also an office, so it's kind of like a 5th bedroom or an office area there. But some big spaces you can see. You've got the kitchen over this way, high ceilings, which is kind of fun. So, right now it's the cheapest property for lease on Lido Island. But also we're looking for people that want to come in and, buy and sell down here too. So, we're here today and tomorrow. Wade's here from 1 to 5 tomorrow as well. But it's a real cool place. It's got some neat design attributes to it. We'll kind of show you upstairs real quick, so you can take a look at it. But it's just over 2,800 square feet, a 3,500 square foot lot. Like I said, these are built in 1983. You've got this sort of upstairs den area, lots of natural light. As I mentioned, you've got dual master suite, so all good sized bedrooms, new carpet, so dual vanity sinks in the bathroom. We're working with the black tile theme here, so but again, like this particular house, it's for lease, so it's a great place, great way to enjoy the Lido Island lifestyle for less than the typical rent down here, which is about $12,000 or $13,000 a month at least, if not more. Getting lots of natural light in here. And then this is, we're kind of calling it a dual master, but you've got, kind of a real modern contemporary feel to it, bathroom. Got closets set up in there. And so coming out and check us out here today or tomorrow. Beautiful day. The sun's trying to come out, but beautiful surroundings. Come check out the harbor. Come check out the opening of the yacht club. They've got tennis courts down here, and you can do lots of boating and fun ocean beach stuff here. So we'll see you around. Thanks.